Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just bringing another update on Sundial growers. Just letting you know I'm still holding the shares and see what everybody out there is doing with Sundial, and just kind of seeing what the thoughts are, and if anybody's bought any more or if they think it's going to go up to $1. We had this nice peak here on up to 77 cents. It still hasn't, to my knowledge, here hit $1, so that's what I'm shooting for, but we will see. But still waiting for this one to do its thing. I know it's had a lot of hype, a lot of talk. I mean, it's been struggling to hit 70 cents here as of lately, so trying to figure this one out. I found some information about it that's kind of interesting. Maybe you've already heard it before, but thought I'd make a quick video about it. Again, if you don't know this one, you can just pause it. This is an MJ stock, and the word that I highlighted there, which I'm not going to say, don't want to hurt my channel, but again, it's in the MJ field, small market cap. Go ahead and pause it, and you can read that for yourself. Here's kind of my history. I haven't bought any for a couple days on it, and it's still kind of hovering around that same price. I'm waiting for it to break 70 and stay above 70, but it's had some trouble, so needs some sunshine on Sundial for it to grow a little bit. I did come across this article, 5 stocks Robinhood investors can't stop buying, and I mean, I'm in there with you. I have, I think, pretty much all of these, but probably won't be of too much of a surprise. But anyway, we'll go on with the article. Let's see here. You can pause it and read that information. I was just going to go over the article, but as you know, NEO, and if you follow my channel, I have quite a few NEO videos out there as well. I just did a bunch of ETFs, MJ ETFs last week, and I just did one today, ticker M as in Mary, J as in John. That's another one that I have, be another one for you to look at for you dividend investors out there who like the MJ stocks as well as dividends. Those ETF videos that I made give dividends as well, so go ahead and watch those videos. But back to the Robinhood popular ones, NEO. I've done a couple NEO videos. It's a EV manufacturer, electric vehicle. It's had a lot of hype here. Saturday was NEO Day. I did a video about that as well. I've done several videos about NEO, and I'm continuing to hold it. A lot of good talks about NEO. So if you're buying that one, I can't really blame you, because I'm kind of in the same boat there with you, so which is a good boat, and which is going to turn into a yacht here, I think, someday. But who knows? It could be $100 stock by the end of the year. So they're it's given Tesla some competition. I have Tesla, not to knock them in any way. I've done a couple of Tesla videos, but you can watch those. But this one is given Tesla some competition, which is good. So it's been estimated that up to half of the vehicles sold in China by 2035 are EVs. So again, I don't day trade this one. I just buy it on the dips. I'm hopefully going to be buying more and just hold it. I mean, you can hold that for 15 years, and who knows what it will turn into. But a lot of good talk about this one, about the battery packs. About the car, go ahead and watch my other videos. It was really interesting, really nice luxury car. Next is Palantir. I haven't touched this one yet. There's been a lot of talk about this one. Data mining company, Palantir. After beginning of the year, the 49th most held stock on the leaderboard, it has now leaped its way to the number 29 spot. And again, I haven't purchased any of this one. For whatever reason, I just haven't. When there's a whole lot of hype about a stock, I kind of stay away and just kind of watch it. But for whatever reason, I have not purchased this one. But not saying that I won't in the near future. But anyway, Blink charging is another very popular one. I have a couple shares, nothing to brag about. Most of mine's in F-cell. I just did a plug video, done a couple F-cell videos, but blink charging, I'm still watching it. It's not, I'm not going to say that I'm going to stay away from it. It's extremely popular, and it's extremely popular on Robinhood. So, I mean, it's in the EV charging equipment, so I don't think you can go wrong with it. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Don't tell you when to buy or sell. I'm just bringing these to your attention, but it's in a good field. It's in the field that everything is going up, and since the blue wave and the Democrats, that's going to help as well. So on to the next one, sundial growers, which is funny. I just did a sundial growers video. Well, actually, I've done a couple of them, and this is kind of a follow-up, but just coming across this video or article, and you can watch my other videos on it. But this has been a really popular one. I did some options on it. I even did a video on it. They're referred to it as a POS because I was just kind of irritated with it at the point. I think I had a 60 or 70 cent cost basis, and it was hovering around 50 cents for a while, and I did an option on it hoping it was going to go to $1, and it never did, and kind of lost on that, but that's another day. But we fall forward instead of backwards, so hence the name of the channel. But anyway, if you're watching this video, don't really need to tell you a whole lot about sun growers. I just come across some information, and still a popular one on Robinhood. Whether that gives the stock any hype or not could be up or down. It all kind of depends if people are holding it or day trading it, but it's had huge volume in the past. I haven't checked the volume on it today, but anyway, next is plug power. Like I said, I just did a plug power video. I've done one in the past. This stock, if you haven't been watching it, it's just really went up here in the last week, if not month, and they just did a partnership, so you can go ahead and watch that other video. But very interesting company, and that is it for the article. I thought that was pretty interesting, and again, that's the 5 stocks Robinhood investors. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick one about Sundial, get some feedback on it, and see if people are still buying it. I'm continuing to hold it. Hopefully it'll go up. I'll wait and see what this one does by the end of the month and kind of decide then. If it has a run up, I don't know, or a dip, I might buy some more. We'll just have to wait and see on this one. But there's the hype behind it, but this one's kind of scary. It's a penny stock, and it's just not really had a great pass, so I'm continuing to watch it, and just be safe on this one. If you're trading it, buying it, holding it for the long term, I would just set your alerts, set your stops if you need to, and just go from there. But again, I don't give trading advice, but that's what I would do, and that's what I'm looking to do on my Sundial. But that's it for Sundial today. I thank you for watching. If you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that, kick it, smack it, backhand it, however you have to highlight it. And we're a growing channel here, hitting 200 by the end of the month. I know we can do it, so I know you can do it. Again, I thank you for watching. I thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support and the comments. They're always welcome. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.